Okay, I'm back now. I got to do some more all the smoking that I don't do. I was coughing out here. So let's start back with this packet right here and head down the street with all the rest of these people down there. Take a look. Take a look. 1941 Packard. All right, enough of that. Okay, we got a BMW here. Oh, I got some stripes down there. Well, carbon fiber stripes. Okay. M3. All right. Nice. Nice. M3. Okay. We got an automatic here. The carbon fiber right there. I don't know why the carbon fiber right there. Right there. I don't know why. Why? Why would you spend a bunch of money on that? I can't believe that. Okay. Alfa Romeo. Nice.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about, the running stuff.
Girl has like 2 degrees going right now. 3 degrees.
Right. Charger. Let's go, what is this? Land Rover. Badass Land Rover. Okay. What we got? Sliding glass right here. Stick shift. Okay.
Bro, this is
What is this? Austin Healey? Can you read that? Austin Healey. How about the front of it? There we go. Walking around this way. All right, nice. Nice. Okay. It comes with sunglasses. Look at that. It comes with sunglasses.
Okay, so what year is this car?
It's not my car.
Oh, you don't know what year it is?
No. I don't know. Here, I'm filming out here for YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Take a look. I put up a fresh video every 2 days.
Is that your channel, G3 Car Review?
Yep, that's it right there. Every 2 days. Yeah.
Take a look at it.
We'll start a podcast this Wednesday or Thursday night. It'll be live.
Oh, yeah?
Podcast, yeah. It'll be every week.
Yeah,
Every week.
check you out.
Thank you. Appreciate that. What we got here? Corvette. Got a 4-speed right here. You got 160 on the speedometer right there. Look at that. I don't know if it'll do that much because it's got a 327 engine. It doesn't say it, but it's convertible, and that's nice. Nice. We're talking high off the ground. It's not going to hit nothing, no curve. Wow. Here, film me on YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
G3 Car Review. Okay, every 2 days put up a fresh video. Oh, they're coming out. Here, I'm filming out here. There you go, you're on camera. YouTube G3 Car Review. Thank you. We're filming out here. YouTube, G3 Car Review. Thank you. Thank you. We're all leaving. Looks like you got a 426 Hemi engine here. Look at this. Roche. Right there. Oh, it looks like a Hemi engine to me. That's what it looks like. Wow. Elusive.
What going on?
Filming on YouTube, G3 Car Review. Every 2 days, put up a fresh video.
All right, thank you.
You're on here. You're on here. Bye.
That's it, gone. Less than 24 hours. Already, man. Sell it already. Less than 24 hours.
No Lucy. We got STO right here. STO.
Hold on, give me $100.
Stop right now. Look at the air going in right at the top right there.
Yeah, $100.
Nice. Look at, you got grooves in here like fish gills. I'll call them fish gills right here. Look at, they got holes in the car. Look at this. They got holes. They got holes back here in the back. It's like, wow. Carbon fiber, more carbon fiber. It says Lamborghini. I think it says Lamborghini. Yeah, it does. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Carbon fiber. More. Oh, look there. Like I said, these guys go to the cow pastures and grab their fence and put it here to make it cheaper for the car. Lighter. No cows.